Okay, start.
Hi, this is Mary Lee, and we're from Team-22. And for the sprint, we have met our sprint goal, which is setting up and refactoring Sparky Appeal and Sparky To Do. And I will be demoing our working product. So we work on implementing the Sparky Appeal. So this is going to be the / command for it. So this page pop up, so you can type in the course. I'll just type in 517 assignment 1, and then for this appeal, I'll just put my name. And then for my appeal, obviously you would want to provide a detailed appeal, so I'll just put wrong grade. And then once that's done, you would get this message, and then you can close it. Next, I'll do the other implementation that we did, which is to do. And then once you type that in, you would get this prompt right here. And then for the detail, I'll just add something simple, resolve appeal. And then once you hit the submit button, and it goes through. So that's our implementation for the sprint. And for the sprint, I contributed to creating a new bot and testing out all the / command and to ensure that they work as expected. And I was able to verify that they do work as expected. So the next team member can take over.
Hi, this is Sai Nishan. So during this sprint, I worked on writing unit tests with test framework for the sample test framework. I wasn't able to accomplish the sprint goal. The DB unit test cases were not done, but I also worked on writing the documentation and creating the documentation for test framework and serverless Lambda for future development purposes. And I also worked on removing the stale code and duplicate code. And the next team can go on. Pranit, you're on mute.
So for this sprint, I worked on creating instructor view, like making few changes in the instructor view. So the sponsor asked us to create 2 different manage team buttons. One manage team button helps with creating ask and to do channels and manage the members in it. And the other creates appeal channel and manage the members in it. So I was able to complete that for this sprint. And I also worked on debugging some database tables. So I also created 2 different tables for the manage appeal team channel and manage team channel. So all the members will be added to that channel. So this is all I worked on this sprint.
Okay, this is Vishesh, and for this sprint, I worked on the appeal command and the to-do command. And well, I completed the appeal and to-do command. And this was my user stories for the completion. As you can see, it's all completed. For our sprint work, we have completed 91% of it. The burn down only shows up to April 21st, but we've completed most of it. And as for our backlog, we are done with most of it. I think just a bit of remove duplicate code is left, and that's it from our end. Thank you.